Guys, I pulled out my old Amiga from the loft today. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. This is the second Amiga I've got sitting about. Now, the reason why I went looking for this and pulled it out of the loft is because I was running out of memory on some of the tracks that I was loading. And I wanted to have a look at the original Amiga, not the most recent one. But as you can see, it's a bit dirty now. Like, just needs a good old clean up. I will be restoring this at some point properly. No mods on this one, by the way. But I'm pretty sure inside here I have a memory upgrade, which I'm going to put in my newer Amiga. So guys, popping this little thingy-majiggy off here. Oh, there's nothing in there. So where did these memory upgrades go? I'm pretty sure I used to have a memory upgrade. Interesting. Alright, so that's not exactly going to plan. Not to worry. Maybe it was because I had two Amigas. Maybe the memory was shared. Really strange. Anyway, flip this over. Have a look inside here. Probably have a little go at doing some mods on it. You can see the lid comes off and everything. What a state. Spare floppy in there as well. As you can see, inside is rusty. I wonder if this even comes on. Wow. So this is the second Amiga, man. Where do these memories go? Oh, I wonder what this is. Is that an upgrade? Not even sure. Where did the memory go on this, people? See the ribbon cables come out on the old memory. Sorry, the ribbon cables come out, but you know that could easily be put back in. Yeah, guys, that's my old Amiga. You can see the state of it. Proper retro. Good old clean up. Nothing to clean up, couldn't sort out. These computers are just like robust, man. Also, I've been messing about with the Amiga emulator, which I've actually managed to take songs from my Commodore Amiga, which I've restored onto a compact flash drive. And I've used this gadget here to save onto with a compact flash drive and put that basically into my Mac. And at the moment I have got good news courtesy of, so I have got an Amiga emulator running, as you can see here. Now I've just got to learn a few shortcut keys for it, but the coolest thing is when I go to here, double click, emulator starts running, and this is, look, 32-bit. This is pretty sick, man. Obviously the sound doesn't sound 32-bit, but look, it loads like a proper Amiga, and I can get Optimed up and running here, which means that if I don't have if I have any issues upscaling the old retro consoles into my capture card, that means I can then just show the Amiga on the screen as I would, you know, when I'm live on the live streams, which is pretty cool. And I'm looking forward to showing you guys some of the songs that I found and some of the samples, etc. I can actually do that through the emulator, because on the emulator, look, I'm going to click it now, hit the return key. As you can see, it loads up just like an old retro Amiga. Real clean looking. Look at that HDMI. And look, I've got Optimed 4, which is an ADF, loaded onto the desktop into one of the floppies. And it's working really well so far. As you can see, I've got a hard drive there. And I've got this, which is this disc here, is actually the compact flash. So it's all loading up. It's looking good. I just want to learn how to kind of exit out of this. Does anybody know how to exit out of this without pressing Apple Q, so that I can get them control of the mouse, so I can do other things around the computer? Another thing as well that I'm struggling on this emulator is actually getting the MIDI to work, because for some reason there isn't a MIDI option in here, like where on the Atari ST emulator they've got a MIDI option. So I want to be able to get the MIDI running on this, because that would be sick. That would be the ultimate. So showing you the old Optimed up and running there, folks. Look, you go to files, literally go to there, click on that, wait for it to finish loading, and this is actually just Rago, guys, straight from the camera. Look, where's my probably DH1, there you go. Look, songs library, and everything here is taken from my original Amiga, as you can see there. Look, I'm going to quickly load something up. Look, go from there, and then look, a Young World, double click, load. Sick, man. Look, play song. Working, mate, just like the retro Amiga. And I've heard you can also do this on the Raspberry Pi as well. But I've got to sort out the MIDI, see what's going on with the MIDI. But as you can see, running like clockwork. Beautiful. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it interesting. Like, share, subscribe. Smash that like button for me. If I see 50 likes, I'll do another one. Take care. God bless. Peace.